Hello children, today we will see the next part of our operations on fraction, and last lecture inside we had seen addition of the fractions, addition of the mixed fractions. So this is the addition of the mixed fraction number. Its method we had seen, first and second method, both ways I told you, and some students send me the examples solving by these two methods. Now today we will take the subtraction of a mixed number. What we will take? The subtraction of mixed numbers. So subtraction of mixed number. Okay, so for subtraction of mixed number, actually it is same like the first, only we have to do the subtraction. So we will understand the example, understand the subtraction by solving the example. Okay, and here also it has how many methods? It has two methods, method 1 and method 2. So I will explain you both the methods. So first we will see the method 1. Okay, we will see the method 1. Method first, and here method second. Okay, so for that we will take one example. The first example is the 3 integer 2 upon 5, 3 integer 2 upon 5 plus minus 2 integer 1 upon 7. 3 integer 2 upon 5 minus 2 integer 1 upon 7. So by first method we will solve this example. As you know that yesterday we had seen that both the methods. Okay, so first of all what we will do, these two numbers are there. Okay, which two numbers? 3 and minus 2 we will take here. 3 minus 2, these integers are there, no? That you have to take here, write in the bracket. Okay, 3 and minus 2 we wrote it here. Next step is that the fractions are there, that you have to write the plus right here, and the fractions are there, no? Those you have to write in the another bracket. So here 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 7. 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 7. Okay, now first of all these two subtraction. What is its answer? 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Now if these two fractions are there, and if we have to add these two numbers, we have to add this fraction, then we have to make its denominators same. So what I told you yesterday, how to make the denominator same? First of all, write the 5s and 7s table, which is the first common number that we have to find out. So I am writing 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, and 5 7s are 35. 7 table, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So this is the first common number I find in the both table. So I have to make the denominators same, and this is the LCM also, both the numbers. 5 and 7's LCM is 35. So first of all what we have to make, I will write here 2 upon 5. This 2 upon 5, I want to make denominator which? 35. So 5's table inside, 35 is at which place? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7th place. So I will multiply this fraction with the 7 to numerator also and to denominator also. Now minus this 1 upon 7 I will write here. Okay. Now I have to, in 7's table inside, the 35 is present at which place? It is present at 5th place. So multiply here with the 5. Okay, till that clear? What I said, that to make the denominator same, 5 and 7, what we have to do? We have to multiply this 5 or this fraction with the 7 and this 1 by 7 with the 5. And then what we will get? The next step. 1 plus 7 2s are 14. 5 7s are 35. Okay, these two's multiplication right here and these two's multiplication right here. Minus 5 1s are 5. 7 5s are 35. Okay, the next step of the example. Now 1 plus, as you know that the denominators are same, numerators addition, otherwise subtraction, whichever sign is there that we have to do. So here negative is there. So write here 14 minus 5 divided by 35. Okay. So next what we have to do, this one plus this 14 minus 5 is equals to how much it is there? 9 upon 35. This is subtraction is 9 and upon 35. As you know that 35 is not divisible by 9. So you just write it as it is, one integer 9 upon 35. One integer 9 upon 35. That is the first method. In this method what we had done, first the integers we are taken in the bracket separately, and inside it what we had to add, the fractions also we add. Factors we are taken in another bracket, and both we have to do the subtraction because we are learning the subtraction of a mixed number. So here after doing this what we have to do, the subtraction of this both, plus here we have to make the denominator same. If the denominators are same, then only we can subtract the fractions, otherwise we can't subtract it. So for that I find out the number which is common in 5 and 7's table, because 5 7 is table inside 7 is not there, and 7's table inside 5 is not there, and both are the which numbers? Prime numbers, and prime numbers are present in its own table or they are divisible by 1 only. Okay, that's why this is the 35. I find the first common number. Now this is 2 and 5, 2 upon 5, that fraction. To make 35 I have to multiply this fraction with the 7. So I have multiplied it here. Then minus 1 by 7 I have to multiply with the 5 to make the denominator same. Now after making the denominator same, just simple operations are there that we have to do. Mathematical operations are there. So 14 minus 5 divided by 35. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. This one will come in the next steps inside. So I got it here, 9 upon 35, and the fraction or answer is one integer 9 upon 35. That is the first method. Now we will see the second method, 3 integer 2 upon 5. Same example we will solve for better understanding. And here 2 integer 1 upon 7. As I told you how to solve this example, these two's multiplication we have to do. So 3 into 5. 3 into 5, and inside it numerator we have to add upon 2 divided by, here it is 5. Okay, minus this sign, 7 into 2 plus 1. This one we have to add in it and divide it with the 7. Now 3 5s are 15 plus 2 upon 5, and here 7 2s are 14 plus 1 upon 7. Now again we have to make the denominator same here. First we do the addition of this both. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Sometimes what happens, students are doing mistake. I seen it last year. That is, this is the negative sign of operation, but students are writing here in this place. Actually this is the what conversion, inside we are using this fraction. So here plus sign will come. Only this operation sign will come here, the negative. Okay, this plus sign will be continue. This plus sign is from the conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Its sign it is there. So here it will be plus if it is the subtraction we are doing. Otherwise addition we are doing. This sign is not changing. The sign which is changing, this sign will change both the time. Okay. So here I will show you what is the mistake you are doing. If it is the addition of a number, here also what way I had done, 5 to the 10 plus 1 and divided by 2. This plus sign is there. It is continuing here. And in this example, if you see here also plus sign will continue like the addition inside, but only sign, this sign is what happens, changing because it is a subtraction. So 17 upon 5 minus 15 upon 7. Okay, the first common number just I told you here, which is the first common number, 35. So to make it 35 I have to multiply the 17 upon 5 with the 7. So 7 5s I will get it here, 35 minus 15 upon 7 into, I have to multiply here with the 5. Okay, just like this. Here what we had done in that way. Then 17 7s are 119. 17 7s are 119. 7 5s are 35 minus 15 5s are 75 and divided by 7 5s are 35. Okay, now the denominators are same. So we will write here 119 minus 75 divided by 35. What is the subtraction of this both? When we subtract 75 from 119, so 9 minus 5 is equals to 4 and 11 minus 7 is equals to also 4 and divided by 35. Now this is the which fraction? This is the improper fraction. We have to convert into the mixed number. So how to convert? I told you. Once I will solve it, you will get clear of it. 44 divided by 35. 35 is 35. So subtraction done. Then what you will get it here? Answer 9. 44 minus 35 is equal to 9. So this 9, this one I have to write here forward is equal to 1. The 9 is remainder, we have to write it above the fraction, and here 35. So if you solve it by any method, both the answers are same. Okay. In this way, we have to do the subtraction. First method you understand it clearly, and second inside what I had done, only I have convert this 5 3 is 15 plus 2, 17 upon 5, 7 2 is 14 plus 1 is equal to 15 upon 7, and this is the subtraction. Make the denominator same by finding the LCM of this 5 and 7, and LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Otherwise, find out the first common number in the both the tables, and that is 35. And to make it 35, we have to multiply 17 upon 5 with the 7 with 2 numerator denominator, and 15 upon 7 with the 5. Okay, so we will get this. When you solve this, you will get the answer, and it is the same for both the methods. Okay, now we will see one more example for better understanding, and then we will stop. Okay, so this is the subtraction. Now we will see one more example. Subtraction inside what we will take? 3. Here also I will show you both the methods. So first method 1. Method 1. Okay. In first method what we had done here? Three integer 1 upon 3. 3 integer 1 upon 3 minus 1 integer 1 upon 4. 1 integer 1 upon 4. So first we will solve by our first method. So 3 and minus we have to write in the bracket. 3 minus 1. This is 3 minus 1. Plus into bracket write the remaining fraction. 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. Okay. So here 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2, plus here we have to make the denominators same. And to make the denominators same, what we have to do? The first common number in 3's 4 table is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 4 3s are 12. So this is the first common number. Okay. So to make it 1 upon 3, you just multiply it with the which number? 3's table inside 12 is at which place? 4th place. Okay. And minus 1 upon 4, you just multiply with the 3 because 4th table inside it is at 2nd place. Now is equals to first term, write 2 plus 4 1s are 4 upon 12 minus 3 1s are 3 upon 12. This is right in the bracket. Now here 2 minus 12 minus 4 minus 3 is 1 upon 12. Then answer is 2 integer 1 upon 12. That is its answer. Okay, that is the answer. This is the first method. Now we will see the method number 2. Method 2. So in second method inside, now we will see the second method of solving this example. So for that what we will do? We will use write the question at first, that is 3 integer 1 upon 3 minus 1 integer 1 upon 4. So the method is that we have to do the multiplication of these both. So is equals to 3 into 3 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, these two is multiplication plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 into 4. 1 into 4 plus 1 upon 4. Okay, and I told you that Here what I told you, here is plus sign only, here is plus sign only. Sometimes students what they are doing, they are doing the mistakes. What instead in subtractions example it says students are writing minus sign at these places. Okay, at these places. Actually it is the method of conversion of mixed number into improper fraction. This method is there. Okay, if you are writing negative sign here, your answer will be wrong. Answer will be wrong. So this is the fraction. When there is a addition is there, when the addition is there, that time addition of mixed number, that time also we have to put plus sign here only. Okay, at this place we have to put plus sign, and at the time of subtraction also we have to put plus sign here only. Okay, I noticed that so many times the students are doing mistakes. So here we have to put plus sign, here also we have to plus sign put, because 4 ones are 4 plus 1, that is the, and divided by 4. This is the conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction method. So 3 3s are 9 plus 1 in this way and divided by 3. So this is the method. So don't make any kind of mistake whenever you are doing. This sign will be remains plus only when you are solving it by doing the addition. Otherwise you are doing the subtraction. Okay, we will see the next point now. Next step. So here 3 3s are 9 plus 1 equals to 9 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, 9 plus 1 upon 3. This I will use dark because you will get confused. Okay, so 9 plus 1 upon 3 minus 4 ones are 4 plus 1 upon 4. Now we will solve this. 9 plus 1 10 upon 3 minus 4 plus 1 5 upon 4. Okay, now if these two are the fractions, we have to do the subtraction of both. We can do the subtraction in this way? No, we have to make the denominators same. So for that what we have to do? We have to, just I told you before that, 3 and 4 stable inside. 3 and 4. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. First common number is 12. I told you here only. So if we have to make it convert this fraction into same denominators, we have to multiply 3 with the what? This fraction into 4. Okay, and minus 5 upon 4 into which, that is 4 multiply with the 3, because 4 stable inside, third place 12 is there and 3 stable inside, 4 place 12 is there. So 4 tens are 40 upon 4 threes are 12, minus 5 threes are 50 upon 4 threes are 12. Okay, now the denominators are same, that is 12 12. Now what we have to do? 40 minus 15 upon 12. 40 minus 15 upon 12. So the subtraction of this both is the 25. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 and divided by 12. Okay. Now this is a improper fraction. We have to convert it into, this is your rough work. You don't want to do this on the page where it is fair. This is a rough work. You write it on the rough page and solve, and then answer only right here. So 12 2s are 24. So here it is 1. So as you know that this how we are writing, 12 is there, that we are writing it down, and here this 1 is there, this 2 we are writing here, and here it is 1. So 2 integer 1 upon 12 is the answer. In this way you solve the subtraction examples. Okay, subtraction examples of mixed numbers. So addition and subtraction we are completed today. So today you just complete the subtraction second question from the practice set number 10. Okay, and then word problems we will see on our next lecture. So today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you.